In order to find out the two substances which mix together in solution to form a precipitate of calcium carbonate, we have to first check if calcium carbonate is soluble. You should recall the solubility table and remember that all carbonates are insoluble except sodium, potassium, and ammonium salts. Hence, calcium carbonate is insoluble. After identifying its solubility, you should recall the method which can be used to prepare an insoluble salt. It is precipitation. Recall that for precipitation, the two starting reactants have to be soluble. Since we want to obtain calcium carbonate, we need to have a calcium compound and a carbonate compound. Looking at the table above, we can eliminate some options which are soluble in water: lead carbonate and calcium carbonate. Next, we can identify the first soluble reactant, calcium chloride, followed by the second soluble reactant, potassium carbonate. For part 2, the three processes that are used to obtain a pure sample of calcium carbonate from the result of mixing are: Number 1. Filtration to allow the mixture to be filtered. Followed by number 2. Washing the residue with deionized water. And lastly, number 3. Drying the residue between pieces of dry filter papers.